numbered?
Yeah.
What's your best on that pen?
Short right now. I might see if I can sell something like that.
What do you got? I'm mainly looking for like 200 plus. You got that? What do you want for it?
Last was up there. Let me see.
468, 400, 380, 425, 425. Did you pull it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just like yesterday.
Nice. That's a good return, huh? Nice. All right, this is what I'd value these at.
Okay.
This one's the weirdest one. It's like 150 to 200. So I kind of just put it in the middle. There's some lower, some higher. For all of them, is there like a certain percentage you'd be willing to take for all of them, or kind of just as much as you want, as much as you can get? So usually I pay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh no, because it's hard to find like English
I know.
sales, but I mean I'm looking at one. I did 570 with bids.
I'm gonna look again just to
That
make
was
sure.
on the 26th of July.
These are the ones that I saw. That one, August 9th. Those are best offer. It's right on that.
That's why, yeah, I was trying to just look at one per bid.
380, 425, 425, 366. That's why I put it there.
Right.
If you want to value it higher, I understand totally. I usually do like 75% cash for singles, which is like 500 for everything. So I give you 500 cash.
I'll circle back.
Yeah, no problem. Is there a number you take like right now?
What's up?
Is there a number you take right now you'd be comfortable with?
If you just threw another 25 on top of that, I'll feel better about that.
Like 525? You mean like value or cash? So I offered you 500, so you mean like 550?
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
550?
Probably wouldn't want to be that high. Yeah, 525 is like 80%, which is kind of pushing like, I usually trade at 80.
Right.
So, but I would do 525. But if you want to walk too, like no worries, no pressure.
I like 525.
Cool, this is it. Thank you. You guys from around here?
We moved out here last year from California. But
Oh, cool.
Been out here a year now.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good. That's for you. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Good to see you. Nice to meet you. I got a little bit less room than I'm used to.
I watch your videos on TikTok.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
My mom likes it.
Oh, yeah? You got to make a mom happy for sure.
I know, I already bought her 3 cars and she goes, look at me more.
There you go.
Those low carb scare me.
This one? That's at a 99.
Oh, that's at 99? Yeah. It's a cool car, and
Yeah.
just that 75 is just scary.
I mean, I'll hear an offer on it if you got an offer for me.
But I mean, you'd have to be over 100 on it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can't just go off the low one for sure, you know. And this one just sold. That was back in May. What's up, man?
Sir?
Good, how are you?
Doing well.
Good.
Interested in the Coro?
Yeah.
Nico. That's Trey. Definitely those two.
Okay.
Halo Blue. Did you do 100 here? I think it's 125.
I'll run that. Easy enough, man.
I've seen you around. What's your name?
Sam.
Austin.
Austin, nice to meet you. Do you have a whatnot or something?
I do have one.
Yeah. These are perfect whatnot cards.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's lower end autos and stuff. It's perfect.
I feel like we've talked on Facebook or something.
Could be. What's your name?
Austin Byer.
Austin Byer.
I have like the Godfather as my picture.
Could be, man. I have a YouTube channel
You
and
just sound
stuff.
so. Maybe that's what I should do.
I've
Okay,
been doing a lot of TikTok and stuff recently, so that's probably what it is. Yeah.
I like your stuff.
Yeah.
thank
Easy
you.
enough.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, appreciate
Sure
you,
I'll
man.
see you around.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Can I see the end?
Yeah.
And if you don't mind me asking, what percent are you like willing to take on downtowns?
Got to be pretty close to sticker on those.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah, thanks. It's hard to buy them. I usually have to buy them at like 90% at least.
I
So,
just see every time if I can get them for like 85.
yeah,
Flip them.
for sure.
Have you looked at this recognition?
Yes, I usually don't grade those that year now because they're just really hard to gem for that year. I doubt it would 10.
I'm just wondering if you're selling.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with it. It just, I don't think it would 10. Just like centering and stuff.
I'll write it down.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for letting me take a look.
Yeah, thanks for looking. Yeah, you too, man. All the retail stuff's really cheap.
Is that what it goes for?
Yeah, basically. It's like 15 to 20. Yeah, it's not like it used to be like, you know, like the Herbert year, like all the retail stuff was really expensive, but now it's just even the quarterbacks are cheap. Hey, how are you?
We do a deal if you buy one of each.
What are you thinking?
I would do 150 for both.
I'd probably need 160 for both.
So just 5 off on
Yeah.
See if I got a 10. Would you do 157?
Sure. That's cool. Just because it's hilarious. Whichever one you want.
I'll just take the ones that don't have your prices
Okay.
on it so you don't have to change them. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
What's the lowest you can do on the Penix?
I'll listen to an offer on it.
Did you do 10?
Sure.
Good?
Yeah.
What are you buying right now?
Mainly looking for like 200 plus, or if you have like some like raw gradable Pokemon, I'll take a look at.
The best card I brought with me.
What do you want for it?
I honestly don't even know what I literally just got it. Did you go to the National?
I did not.
You didn't go. I thought I'd seen that you were going to be there.
Nope. I was just talking to those guys. They said it was just like so crowded you couldn't even move.
Insane.
Oh, you went?
Really didn't do anything.
Yeah.
The trade night normally is the best part, but it was insane.
All right. Last two are 170, 180. Do you know what you would take for it?
150.
You do 140? I'd do 140.
Can you do 140 and that?
Sure.
Cool.
Yeah, that works. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you. Hey, how you doing, man?
You're the YouTube guy, right?
That's me. How you doing?
I saw myself in one of your videos.
Oh, no way.
I have to come make a deal.
Oh, thanks, man. I will tell you, there's one horrible sale on it for $100.
No, it was damaged.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
I probably went up on the Knicks.
Yeah.
Could you do 120 on the Daniels?
I'd split it with you 130, or I'd give you a better deal on this one.
Can I see it?
It's another one. It's like when I bought it, it was like $200. But that's sports cards for you.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
130 is fine.
Thanks, brother. Beautiful. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good to see you. Bro, I've done that before. Bro. You got cool stuff, bro. I'm just trying to avoid football right now. What's this?
550.
Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna pass.
I just sold the orange eyes for 540.
Wow, it's crazy how expensive our stuff is.
I'm into this and the orange eyes for like 260.
Good for you.
All these in the 10? Yeah, that's
sorry?
cool. All these in the 10?
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
I wish they were sequential, but they're not, unfortunately.
That's crazy.
Yeah. How are you guys doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Show so far?
Yeah, it's been pretty good. I bought the this guy. Yeah, it's a good one.
How much is that?
It's like $400 or $500.
You bought it?
No, some guy walked up and bought it. So I bought this and that from him.
Is the Penix numbered?
Yeah, 199.
I'm a Falcons fan, so that's the one.
Yeah, I just bought this. That's one where it's like if I hold on to it for the day, I'm just gonna grade it because it's like whatever. I'm happy to wait.
Yeah. That's awesome. Thanks for letting me look.
Yeah, of course.
I might be back through.
Cool. Thank you, man. Good to meet you.
What's your best on that Penix?
I'll listen to an offer on it. Last two, 180, 170.
You care if I look at it?
No. It's sealed, so as long as you don't rip the seal, which
Right.
I don't think you would ever do that.
I'm interested in how he does.
Yeah, I know. He seems cheaper than the rest of the guys, you know.
He's definitely the better investment.
Yeah, there's more upside, right? All the rest of them are like, I think Bo Nix is probably too expensive. Jaden might be priced right, but second year guys is like,
Especially after what happened to Stroud.
yeah, and if he has that good of a rookie season, it's like you have to match that. Otherwise, it's gonna probably go down a little bit.
Do you have any of these Mews in raw? Or is this all you got?
I just have, yeah. That's all I have. What's up, guys?
Oh, I've seen you on it.
Oh, thanks, man.
Can I see the trout, please?
Yeah.
Would you be able to work in a trade for that? I don't have all the cash for it.
I'm not seeing anything I'm super interested in.
Yeah, that's all right.
But I appreciate it,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, that's all right.
I can work a little bit on price if you can sell some
mean,
stuff and come down.
I can see how much I have, but I don't think it'd be like, I don't want to like give you like a disrespectful offer.
No, you're good, man.
I mean, I only got 287. I know that's far off.
Yeah, I mean, I mean, if you can sell some stuff, I mean, I can come down to like 380, 375 for you. But, you know, whatever. Up to you.
I'll try.
Did you get 35 on that pair? Those two?
Yeah, that's fine. All right. Yeah, gotta get you a wallet, my man. Or like one of those clips or something, one of those like binder clips, you know what I mean? Appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, let me know, whatever. Whatever you can do.
It's out of the 151 box, right? It's in a 10.
And this one, I don't know if you know this, but
I'm not big into Pokemon at all, but I know that card.
yeah, the pictures line up.
That's awesome.
I thought it was pretty dope.
Yeah.
Do you have any room on that?
What are you thinking?
I saw PSA 9 did like 20. So you'd be around there.
20? I think 25. Yeah. I could be wrong, so let me just check. 20 is fine. I did 20. Yeah. Thanks, man.
Fairly clean.
You can look at it. I don't grade thick cards typically.
No, I'm not gonna grade it. I just.
But yeah, if there's a bum corner or whatever, let me know.
Looks good.
Cool. Some of them can be like bent up and stuff, you know. So. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. How you doing? What's the price on the what those? Are they new? How you doing?
Are you making a video?
I'm making a video. Yeah, I was streaming earlier and my phone died, so that ended. How you been?
You for one of the Gibbs?
What are you thinking?
Huh?
What are you thinking?
45?
I do 150.
Make this into a video.
All right, I will. You'll be on. Don't worry. I gotta tag you. You gotta write down your Instagram. I'll tag you. What's your name?
Liam, nice to meet you.
Liam. Nice to meet you. Liam's grabbing the Gibbs out of 49 Select, and we're gonna hook him up on Instagram for sure. Thank you, bro. How you doing? Good. You guys doing all right over there? Good.
If I bought all 5 of those cash, what could you do for me? Oh, wait, I don't want that one. I thought that was
The other ones, I bought them for 85. So if you could do 90, if that gives you enough.
85%?
Yeah. So I could do 90% sticker.
I'll take the price on it.
Sure.
Is that what the actual bubble is at right now? Yeah, it's like $400. We just keep stocking
They're-
out. We didn't grade them.
Yeah.
Grading's like 1,400.
They're like 380 to 450 now. It's crazy.
Really?
Yeah, within the last week.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Someone might have more people lose it. I'm like, just
Yeah.
keeps going up. Damn.
Yeah.
I've sold so many bumblebees in my lifetime. It's like,
Yeah.
No one ever shows me them. They all keep them. They're like, oh, not for sale.
I'm shocked I haven't sold that card yet today.
come to me. Can I see the bumblebee
Yeah.
auction?
I've been sitting there eyeballing that all day.
I'll let him buy it. Did you just buy these today?
Which ones?
These.
I bought them last weekend. Yeah.
Like your sticker's right at where it needs. So I did 90% sticker. Would you do 1250?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Perfect. What's your name again, brother?
I'm Cody.
Cody. Nice to meet you, man. Sam. Perfect. Thanks, man.
Short right now. I might see if I can sell something like that.
I do 160.
60.
Yeah.
That's what it is for me. You going to ship?
No, I got work in Chicago next weekend. You got any room for my stuff or no?
Is that you?
That's me. Go take a look. White flare, black hole, EGBs. I'd like to be at 80 a piece. I do 75 a piece for you.
I'll take them both back.
Okay. 60?
I can get it for 60 all day long. 55?
Makes me $5.
Huh?
Makes me $5.
Well, that's what I'll make on it.
Well, let's see what else you're getting. It's $5. So.
These all pretty close.
Yeah, they're all like right on. I'd knock like 5 off of all of them. So whatever
I'll
that
take
is.
all these and that. So if we do, what are we doing? How much are we doing on these?
10 a piece.
Yeah, so if we
15
do that, I'll give you your extra 5 on
That works.
there. Is that cool? Good.
You want that one too?
Yeah.
So 40, 55, 70, plus 210.
What's the best on car?
210. Hey, right?
It's 2023, right?
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Thank you, man.
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you too. Thanks for swinging by. I appreciate you.
Yeah, no worries.
Glad we could work something out. You do 160 on that? You gonna grade it? That's what I was gonna do if I didn't sell it.
That's why I was looking over the way I was.
Yeah, that's sealed too, so you know it's the best kind of stuff to grade for sure.
160.
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
I appreciate it.